So one really cool feature of the new Ranger Raptor are the driving modes. So it's selected by dialing the style here, left and right. So right now we are in normal. So if I turn it on to the right now in normal, we can change it to sport, slippery, mud, sand, Baja, and for low. This is for off-road crawling. So let's turn back again. Rock crawl. Yeah, that's right. So it's really cool. So I'll go through this with you one by one. So if we go to normal, so everything's set in normal. We go to sport. You know, we can in sport mode, the graphics actually changes on the digital dial. So that's really cool. You can also change the mode here to 2 high or 4 high, depending on you know what sort of situation, road conditions you're in. So 2 high, let's press that. Right now we're in 2-wheel drive mode. You can see the 2H just flashed over there. So we are now a rear-wheel drive car. That's pretty cool. You can turn the dial again to slippery. Okay, so it actually automatically shifts the drivetrain setup for you. So we're in 4A again. See, it kind of changes back from 2H that we were in to 4A automatically. And you can see again, the graphic changes again. It's a cooler graphic. It's a bluer graphic. That's quite cool. Go to mud. Love the graphic. It's just pretty cool, pretty amazing. So it becomes like a green graphic right there. And then you can see that we're in 4 high. And also the diff is locked. And traction control is off. So it does this all for you automatically. That's really cool. Also, you can see from the central screen that this pops up as a off-road kind of screen. I'll show you the screen later on. A lot of stuff you can play with and change with these different modes. Let's go to sand. Oh wow, that's a pretty cool graphic as well. Yeah, again, we're in 4 high, diff locked, and traction control off. So Baja, we're in 4 high, and traction control off. It says off-road use only. Yeah, and yeah, you can see this is in 4 high right now. Then let's go to last one, rock crawl. Okay, shifts for 4 low. So to get into 4 low, we have to shift to N first, and then it'll change to 4 low. So we don't wanna, I don't wanna do that right now, but that's how it works. So let's change back to normal. Cool. And I'll show you what I have for the R button. So basically, you can change all these settings to whatever you like and store it into the R button. So if I press that once, so this is the setting I have. If I press it again, right, the car will automatically go into the setting, which is really cool. So yeah, this is a really handy button to have. Let's change back to normal. Great. So also you can see if we change to sport, this graphic also changes a little bit as well. So on this infotainment screen, actually is synced with the driver screen here. So let's try if we go to slippery. Wow, cool. You can see that the graphic over here changes as well. Let's try the mud. Okay, the mud changes to the screen changes to like an off-road graphic. Sand, so that stays. That's very cool. So in different modes, the throttle mapping and gearbox mapping changes as well. So for example, in normal, it's a bit laid back. In sport mode, the throttle response sharpens and the gearbox is more eager to downshift and hold the revs. And in Baja mode, it's the most intense mode, with everything dialed up to the max. Baja mode also enables the anti-lag system, where the throttle response sharpens and turbo lag is reduced. So in the next few videos, I'll be sharing with you the driver's gauge cluster and also the infotainment system as well. So please let me know if you have any questions regarding the modes or anything else you would like to know regarding the gauge cluster or the infotainment system. So I'll try to answer them in my next video, or I'll answer them as best as I can in the comments below. So please subscribe to help me grow my channel. Appreciate it, and thank you for watching. Bye.